Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make squishy. What you need are scissors, tape, a newspaper, and a plastic bag. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up your newspaper, and we're gonna put your little plastic bag, and then we're gonna put the cover the newspaper with it. And I might have a part 2 if this video ends very quickly. We're gonna do that and then put it to your chin or wherever, and then get some tape. And if you want to cut your tape, you can, but I'm gonna cut it at the end. So I might have a part 2 of this very quickly. I know this is very hard. And if you guys are watching game videos this week or summer, or if you guys are still in school, well, always have a Bible with you, because even though I'm not okay, guys, I'm just gonna start talking this stuff because it's gonna make me freak out. So I'm gonna put this part down. I'm gonna cut. It's like long. It's like out. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. If any of you guys watch a very funny cat video, and that kind of reminds me of if you watch like funny things that fishers do, that kind of reminds me of when I was little fishers when I was a little girl, cause I'm making squishies.
That's not how we make squishies.
Okay, so guys, if you hear talking in the background, that's my grandpa. And somebody over here, that's my sister. She doesn't even know that I'm doing a YouTube video. Oh shoot, my tape. I hate when this happens. Like, if that happens to you guys while you're making something, like, I feel it. It feels super heavy. What the heck? It's just like
hamburger.
Yeah, I'm making a squishy also, but it's like not that surprising. So my teacher, like, she loves my squishy. Like, she's like, oh, it's so cool. That's a good adventure. Cause like I don't have like any of the things like that some people make it, like foam and paper. They just like have to glue it. They don't sometimes like I don't even have like clear tape. So like I get like super angry, and I was just like, boy, I'm just gonna do something. I'm just gonna make my own channel. I'm gonna make my own squishy style, and I'll impress everybody from my family or school. See, like, wash. Kiss it, all it takes, and love me. Okay, guys, if you have Musical.ly, follow me or follow somebody in my family. Cause almost all of them I do Musical.lys, but not all my mom's. But it's cool with me if you guys follow me. I don't care if nobody's watching the video, guys. I have no idea what to tag my sister's tune, but I think this is I'm just gonna. Oh, shoot. Okay, I don't need to cover everything up, but I'll just cover up the little green spots. And I'm finished. So with this last piece of tape, you need strip, and then you're gonna get your scissors and poke holes. Here, this tape came off. And like, you can cut holes in them, so that's why I love my squishies. Cause this is like literally hard. I'm not even lying. But guys, I might do a video of my bunnies. Not my newborn, but finished. And that's like, it's like super easy. So, I know everybody, or once in a while, some people have newspaper, and I know everybody has newspaper at their house from the mail. Some people save them. So, yeah, guys. Like, it's kind of hard depending on your life if you want to make a squishy or not. And if you're wondering why my mom isn't here, because she went on a trip. I don't know. I think this is the longest I ever got to film. Just gonna move the camera earlier. I don't even know how to set about my own camera. I'm using my phone. No. No. Oh my goodness. Charger. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this around. Shoot. Oh, shoot, my charger. My phone charger. Oh my goodness, what the heck? This is like super hard for me.